everyone, I'm Christy Vanover from Girls Can Grill. Today we're cooking with Cowboy hardwood charcoal briquettes. We're gonna do something a little different. It's a hot and fast cook with the sushi grade tuna. One of the key important points to this recipe is putting a lot of oil on the fish because we don't want them to stick to the grates. I'm using a canola oil because it has a really high smoke point. What that means is that it can go on the grill and it'll create a nice crust and sear, but it's not gonna get smoky. And when I say smoky, you know charcoal and hardwood, that's the good smoke. But when you get a smoky oil that's not meant to be smoky, it just gives you an off taste. Next, I've got some kosher salt. You can use fine salt, kosher salt, it really doesn't matter for this recipe. When you talk to your fishmonger, make sure that you're getting fresh sushi grade fish. Sushi grade fish means that I could eat this raw right now and it would be perfectly safe. If you get something frozen, you may not know its complete history and origins, so I wouldn't cook that medium rare. But today what we're gonna be doing is just a sear on the outside and then a little bit rare and pink on the inside. That's why it's important to use a really good quality fish. I just flipped it over, put some oil on the backside, a little more salt and pepper, and then they'll be just about ready for the grill. All right, now let's make the dipping sauce. This is gonna be used with the slices of tuna after they've cooked. I've got some soy sauce, rice wine vinegar, which is an Asian style vinegar that's just a little bit sweeter. I've got some honey. You could also use brown sugar or even white sugar. Sesame oil. It really provides a wonderful flavor of umami. And then just a pinch of red pepper flakes, or you could use gochugaru, any type of chili flakes that you like. And that's all there is to it, to the sauce. Now let's go prep the grill to put the tuna steaks on. All right, we're just gonna brush a little bit of oil on these grill grates. Using a paper towel, start from the back side, move forward. Be sure to use long tongs and a heat glove to protect yourself from these flare-ups. Time to put the tuna on. All right, we're adding the tuna. This is gonna be really fast. We're gonna get this first sear right over the coals. I'm not even gonna close the grill lid on this. We mainly are just gonna start to see white come up from the bottom, and it's just gonna start to sear up. Heat it just a little bit through to create that crust, and then we'll give it a flip. All right, it's time to flip the tuna. You can see that the white has started to creep up just about 1/8 of an inch. I'm gonna use a fish spatula for this to make sure that it's separated so that we don't break the tuna. Nice. Flip. Woo, beautiful grill marks and everything. One more time. Flip. I use the tongs to just help separate these a little bit. And one more. Great, and again, we're just gonna cook this for like 60 seconds, maybe 2 minutes. We're just starting to see it creep up the side. It is gonna be really rare on the inside, but that's the sushi grade tuna magic. So you're getting grilled sushi, so to speak. So we're gonna let that cook just a bit. We've got our sauce made. It's almost time to eat. All right, you guys, take a look at this tuna. This is exactly what we're looking for. Just a little bit of white on the top, a little bit of white on the bottom, pink in the middle. Let's take this off the smoker. Oh, it smells so good. Again, you're kind of getting the flavors of sushi with the mix of that charcoal. And because we oiled the grates and we oiled the fish, it comes off easily. All right, I'm gonna take a few of these sesame seeds, just sprinkle them on the tray here on my cutting board. And I'm actually gonna push this right into the sesame seeds to get a little bit of a sesame seed crust on there. Beautiful. Now it's time to give these a slice. You want to use a sharp, thin knife that's not serrated. And I like to kind of hold the fish together because it's so delicate. That helps it from shredding. Right now you see the tan, and then look at this beautiful red color that we get inside. We've got some fresh green onions that you can garnish with this, and then we've got the soy dipping sauce. I'm gonna move this one over to the platter, and we're gonna slice up the rest. We're gonna finish this off with a little green scallions. I'm gonna throw some scallions in the dipping sauce as well. All right, we got a nice little garnish of some green onion. I'm Christy Vanover from Girls Can Grill. Today we've been cooking with Cowboy charcoal hardwood briquettes to make the super hot, fast seared grilled tuna steaks with a nice soy dipping sauce. If you wanna make it an extra fun meal, get yourself some chopsticks, dig right in, make it a fun family dinner night. Also great for a cocktail party. Guys, be sure to like, follow, and subscribe. Until next time, keep cooking with Cowboy.